Anja Kreiner has been working with the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources in Namibia for over 20 years. Since 2019, she holds the position of Chief Fisheries Biologist, heading up the subdivision environment for the National Marine Information and Research Center. She's been a member of the African Marine and Coastal Atlas developed under Odin Africa project, and is a member of the Data and Information Working Group of the Benguela Current Convention, which is currently developing a regional integrated information management system, including a geographical information system for management and presentation of spatial data. Since 2016, she's chairing the Namibian Marine Spatial Planning National Network Working Group, and she's busy finalizing the first marine spatial plan for Namibia. Anja, you have 3 minutes to share some background.
Thank you, David. The National Marine Information and Research Center is actually the scientific arm of the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources in Namibia. And our main aim is to conduct research and provide management advice on the utilization of the living marine and coastal resources. So we're not really a spatial data unit, but we have been a member of the African Marine and Coastal Atlas developed under the Odin Africa project, and that's how I got involved into spatial work. I have no spatial background. I'm actually a fisheries biologist and was very excited about the Humboldt anchovy because I worked with the colleagues who work on anchovy there. But the MFMR, the Ministry of Fisheries, is also the leading agency of the Namibian marine spatial planning process. So there comes another spatial issue in. And then through the Marine Spatial Planning Project, together with the Benguela Current Convention and the Marisma Project, which is a project that funds the MSP process in the entire BCLME region, we are developing a Geodata Portal based on GeoNode. And initially we developed it for MSP-related data, but of course, there are other spatial projects. There are projects actually mapping all the top predators, especially the seabirds, and all that spatial data we hope that can be hosted on the BCC server. And on the next slide, I will just briefly mention my involvement. As I said, I've been an active member of the African Marine and Coastal Atlas, and I've developed the Namibian and also the regional for the large marine ecosystem parts. So I've been collecting and uploading that data, and we had, under the Odin Africa, 21 coastal countries and 5 LME regions. That atlas is still active, but we are hopefully starting a new phase soon and migrate the entire atlas to GeoNode. And as a member of the Benguela Current Convention Data and Information Working Group and the national and regional MSP, I'm currently actively involved in development of the BCC Geodata Portal based on GeoNode, and we are hoping to go online very soon. And this has become a needed project for our MSP stakeholders, and especially investors who want to invest in the marine space, but they might get into problem because they don't know what is happening where. And with our current users like fisheries and marine mining and also existing conflicts, which you might have heard about, this actually comes very timely, the marine spatial planning, that we can give out the information to avoid these conflicts in future. Thank you.
Thank you, Anja. I'll turn it